Hello traders, welcome to another amazing video. Now, this is how to make constant profit on the Bybit app. Now, this is TradingView. I'm just going to do the analysis, right? Away. Now, if you're on your chart and you want to begin an analysis, you want to analyze a coin, you want to go to the weekly time frame to see how the market is looking at on a broader picture, right? Now you can see that this coin has been dumping. It has dumped and come down to a very low level. And you can see that that level, when price, that was a level that price reached before pumping, right? This is the level that price reached before pumping, before making this move right here. And you can see that price has come down to that point again. So what you want to do, once you see price at this particular level, at this type of zones, you want to anticipate a kind of you know a bearish relief, a bullish relief, right? Coin we need to pump a little because it has come to a point where it reached before and pumped. So you want to what? You want to look for buy opportunity at that point, because that point seems to be a what? A support zone. You can see how price came here and pump. Now price has come close to that area. Now once you see this, you go to the lower time frames and see if you can see a good setup, either the AMD setup or the double liquidity setup or whatever setup you are trading that will signify a what? A bullish relief. Now go to the 4-hour time frame and let's see what's happening there. Let's see what's happening there. You can see on the 4-hour time frame, I'm already seeing a nice setup right here. I'm already seeing a nice AMD setup right here. I don't know if you can see with me, but let me just point it out so you guys can see. You can see right here, this market is forming something like an AMD. Can you see right here? Can you see what I'm talking about? Can you see what I'm talking about? You can see price came to this zone and bounced up, came to this zone and bounced up. There is what? There are a bunch of what? Liquidity right here. There are what? Bunch of liquidity right here. You can see what price did. Price came to that zone. You can see that many traders will think that this market wants to bounce exactly from this point. They will enter from this point, this initial point they have been entering from, and they will put their stop loss just a little bit below here like this. But what happened? Price manipulated down, inducing sellers into thinking that the market wants to fall from this point. But what happened? It went back in. Now you can see that it has taken these stop losses, like this bunch of stop losses that are hanging here. It has what? It has what? Cleared it. It cleared it. It manipulated. This is the manipulation. This is what? The manipulation. Because what? It has taken liquidity. It has also induced sellers into thinking that it wants to go down. And they will enter and they will put their stop loss just around this zone right here. You know, when the trade has broken this support line, right? It has broken it. Now they will think that the market wants to fall. They are going to enter, they are going to put their stop loss just around this zone right here. Right? But what happened? It went back in and took out this high. This high that led to what? That led to the manipulation. If you have been watching my videos, you will get a full understanding of what I'm saying here. Go back to my videos, watch all my videos, you will get a full understanding of what I'm talking about, right? Now you can see how market broke that structure. It took out the high, right? It took out the high, and it's also what? It's also a break of structure. You can call it a break of structure, but this is a typical setup. This is a typical AMD setup, right? Yeah, you can call it a break of structure. BOS. It's a break of structure. You can see how it broke structure, right? Taking out the high that led to this manipulation, right? Now, this is a typical AMD setup, right? Now, what do you expect price to do? Price has retraced into this zone. This is a typical place that you can enter from, but you can see that the price has already started going up, right? But it's still a good time to enter. If you're seeing this video right now, it's still a good time to what? Enter, because price has not even near its what? Its desired targets. You can enter from here and put your stop loss around this area, or even below this low, or below this zone right here. What am I doing? Below this area right here. Below this area right here. And you can ride this thing all the way up to 0.20, from 0.22 to 0.25, right? Now, this is how to trade. This is how to start your analysis. You go to the 1 week time frame. You see that price has reached a very low point where price reached before and pumped. This is what I'm talking about. You can see that price came here before and pumped. You can see that price came down to that same zone. That is the area you want to go and start looking for a buy opportunity, because price has a high chance of of going up from that zone, right? Now, when you go to the lower time frame, like the 4 hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, you start looking for your setup, like the AMD setup, double liquidity setup, right? This is how to trade. Hope you guys find value in this video. Click the like button, subscribe to this channel. I'll be posting more videos like this. One love, guys. Peace out.